What's up? Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited about this eye look. I saw this eye look on Instagram and my phone is acting funny right now, so I can't even get you the name, but I will put it down in the description box and so that you could see her page. She just amazing eye looks, and so I hope that I was able to, you know, pull off that eye look just as, you know, just as good as she did. So if you're interested in seeing how I did this eye look, please keep watching. First thing, I'm going to be going in with the Winky Lux, and I'll be using the transition shade. See if I can open this. This right here is called Strut, so I'll be applying that as my transition shade. I'll be picking up my Lamora Crease 112 brush. Then I'll be applying some of my Scotch tape on the corner of my eye to create a nice clean look. Then I'll be going in with my Creative Me palette. I'm going to go in with this beautiful pink color right here. There is no name on this color, so I'm just going to apply that with my crease brush by Avon. I've always loved this brush, so if you ever get a chance, this is something that you could pick up. I can't even remember how much it costs. Then I'm going to blend that out with my Morphe PK36. Then going in with my IBY Beauty crease brush. It's a very small rounded brush, and I'm going to go in with this purple shade color right here, which is in the Creative Me palette as well, by Coastal Scents. I forgot to mention that this is by Coastal Scents. You'll know that this is like one of my favorite palettes. And I'm just going to apply that on the outer corner of my eye alongside the tape. I'm not going to go all the way out just because I want to show that pink. I still want to make sure that pink shows up. You want to stay in the crease. You don't want to go too far up, again, because I want that pink to show up. And then going in with the PK36, I'm just going to blend that out a little bit. Then using that same IBY Beauty crease brush, I'm going to pick up the color, this is a very big palette, from my Morphe 3502. I'm going to use this black color here just to kind of give it a little bit more depth in my crease. And it's very pigmented, so you want to go in very lightly, a little bit at a time, just because it's very dark. I'm just going to dab it in there on the outer corner, 3/4 of the way in my crease to deepen that purple. Then going back in with the Avon crease brush, I'm just going to blend that black out and just kind of soften it just so that it doesn't look so harsh. Then I want to pick up a little bit more of the pink and just kind of give it a little bit more of that color. Okay, now you want to peel off that tape so you can see how nice and clean that looks. Now we're going to go in to do a half soft cut crease. As you can see, it's very soft here, but it's a little bit more sharper on the inner part of my eye. I like to do my half cut crease. I like using the Morphe PK45, which is like an angled flat brush, and I'll be picking up the concealer that I love so much, which is the Tarte Tape Shape color in the color Light Sand, and I'm just gonna pick some of that up right here. you want a nice amount of the concealer just so that you're able to do that crease nicely. So you'll definitely want to take a little bit of time. You don't want to rush through this. The inner part of my eye, and if I'm too quiet, it's because I'm trying to concentrate. So just like that. And you might want to, because it's still wet, you just want to press it with your finger or with another dry brush just to kind of get rid of the excess. You don't want to get rid of it completely, but you don't want it to transfer. Okay, so now I'll be going in with the Element of Surprise by ColourPop, and I'm going to apply this beautiful shimmer color here, and it's called Opulent. It is a very stunning color, and that's what I'm going to put on my lid. So I will start off with my finger, and then I'm going to use this very fine brush here just to go to the edge of my soft cut crease, just because I don't want it to transfer over to this purple pink area. So now I'm going to blend out the outer corner of my eye just because I want it to be softer and not so harsh there. So I'm going to use that crease brush from IBY Beauty, and I'm not going to pick up any more product. I'm just going to use what I have on the brush. See how beautiful that looks? I am really loving this look. I'm going to do my eyeliner, but I'm not going to make a very big wing. I'm just going to kind of stop it where the black and the purple stops. So it's going to be kind of a small wing liner, but I am going to thicken up the inner part of my eye here. Okay, just like that. Now I'm going to put my lashes off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, so I put my falsies on. Now I'm going to apply some concealer underneath my eye just to give it a canvas look, as I always do. I'm using a different beauty sponge. Now this is from the AOA brand, and it's pretty good. So I am going to do a review on the beauty sponge and also my little haul that I purchased online from Miss A. So stay tuned. So now I'm going to use the e.l.f. crease brush, and I'm going to apply some purple on the bottom waterline. And the purple I'll be picking up is from the Creative Palette, and it is this beautiful color right here. So just like that. Then I will be going with my e.l.f. mascara, and this is in the color black. Obviously, I only use black. I mean, you know, I remember back in the 80s we used to wear like soft colors, soft pink, and I just remember that, but yeah, no, black. Okay, so this is the finished eye look. I'm gonna go put the rest of my face on, and I will, yeah, chat with you a little bit more. Okay, so I finished my face, and this is the finished eye look, and I hope you like it. I will put the link to her Instagram so that you can see where I took this eye look from, and it is bomb. I am so happy I did this look, and I hope that you liked it. If you have any questions on anything, make sure to ask those down in the description box down below, and I will be sure to answer them. So I really like this look, and I hope that you do too. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. It means so much, and yeah, we'll see you on the next video. Ciao guys.